Hello world, it's Siraj, and I'm the director of a nonprofit organization called School of AI, dedicated to offering a world-class AI education to anyone on Earth for free. I'm now looking for an entirely new class of School of AI staff called residential advisors to help provide quality, low-cost housing for School of AI students across the world. Link to sign up will be in the video description. In just 4 months, we've built a highly engaged network of deans across 400 cities globally. These deans are hosting regular in-person classes that teach a wide variety of topics in technology to students and have been very successful in creating fast-growing, connected communities. Because of their association with School of AI, their personal brands have grown as well. We're seeing them get invited to public speaking events, interviews. They're generally becoming thought leaders in this space. Additionally, we have multiple online offerings, including full courses and curriculums that detail various learning paths for students. We've given our students, which we endearingly call wizards, educational opportunities both online and offline, but we're committed to providing a full stack learning experience globally. That means we're looking to provide housing as well. Residential advisors provide quality co-living housing for School of AI wizards in their respective cities. We're looking for people who either own, lease, rent, or in some way manage a co-living property with at least 5 beds, but the more the better. The type of property can be a big house, an apartment complex, a hostel, or even an existing college dorm. Co-living is a growing trend in the sharing economy that allows residents an opportunity to share their living space with others who share similar values and interests. I used to manage a 20-bedroom co-living community in San Francisco for 2 years and can vouch for the benefits of co-living. I made lifelong friends there and learned a lot from my roommates across a wide variety of technical topics. Co-living is an evolution of the dormitory model that colleges have traditionally offered. But education is no longer a 4-year endeavor that will fulfill all skill set requirements for a job for the rest of your lifetime. Technology is rapidly changing every aspect of society, and in order to remain relevant in this field, we have to move to a model of continuous lifetime education. AI is the new electricity. It is fast becoming a crucial element to every business across every industry to help make better data-driven decisions, products, and services. That's where School of AI campuses come in. Our residents will come from all walks of life, all backgrounds, and all ages. It's not just for millennials. We've already partnered with our first residential advisor in San Francisco named James Ingalinera. James manages an existing 52-bedroom community, has his own brand, and an existing applicant pipeline associated with it. What we're doing is acting as a global realtor that will bring him high-quality housing candidates with an interest in AI technology for free. If you have an existing brand and landing page, that's totally fine. We'll build an application form for new residents that will fit into your existing applicant pipeline and work with you to ensure all the details fit your needs. I understand that maintaining occupancy levels at 100% can be a challenge, so having School of AI wizards occupy a portion of your property is fine. You don't have to reserve every room for School of AI applicants, but they should get preferential access. As our community grows, so will the pool of applicants, and we believe that eventually we'll be able to provide more than enough applicants to occupy the entire property. We take no profit from this. We just want to provide a safe living space to our community that helps them grow and connect with their peers. If you manage any type of co-living property, be it urban, rural, a network of multiple properties, a remote island, apply using the Google form in the video description to join our team. We are open to all forms of living arrangements. Ideally, there are multiple options, meaning both shared rooms and private rooms. Once accepted, we'll add your name and campus to our global directory and promote it every week. That means a consistent pipeline of technology-focused applicants that share a set of values. Residential advisors get access to a private Slack channel that I'll personally be engaging with daily, just like I currently do in the Dean's channel. First, access to any School of AI announcements via our newsletter and a collection of resources to help grow their community. Each of our residential advisors will receive a poster with our 7 values and mission that they can hang somewhere on the wall on the property. They are expected to help organize weekly study sessions amongst residents and provide a basic set of amenities. That means that residents will pay one monthly fee decided by the residential advisors that will include the rent, utilities, Wi-Fi, basic supplies, cleaning services, and easy access to a washer and dryer. School of AI campuses are meant to offer each resident wizard academic support in the form of weekly study sessions, the ability to live with peers, and a resident advisor that supports their learning journey. They'll also have their basic amenities taken care of so they can focus more of their time and energy on learning. And of course, a vibrant, built-in social life in the form of roommates and access to local School of AI events. We are keeping applications open for only 2 weeks. So if you are interested, apply now. We'll start promoting each of our campuses to the larger community so they can apply to be residents shortly after that. Wizards, if you don't manage a big property but know someone who does, please refer them to this video so they can apply. I need your help on this one. Let's upgrade education together. Please subscribe for more programming videos, and for now, I've got to serve my wizards, so thanks for watching.